So do a quick charts of interest for January to see what some of the highlights have been. Might just do a monthly chart, monthly video about charts of interest, just to look at some of the main points. And so we'll start with the SPY. The SPY, it looks like the SPY wants to turn over here on the weekly, but hasn't confirmed yet. I thought it was going to confirm this week, but it hasn't yet. It pulled back to end the week. So on the daily here, it's just hanging on to this support here at the moment. So it is in reversal, but on the daily, but we'll see what happens. And the VIX has rallied off this key support here. Just heading up towards this resistance area here. So it's just about tagged that resistance level now. So there weren't a huge amount of VIX call buys, but 50 Cent did turn up late last year and he was buying calls, so he obviously knew that the market was right for a reversal. When he shows up, he's usually spot on, and eventually it takes him a while to get a payout sometimes, but he's almost certainly right eventually, and seems like he is again this time. QQQ is the weekly's hanging on here, but look how far it is from the 100 MA here. Like that's miles from the 100 MA, and here on the daily it's a long way from the 100 MA as well. It will have to address this at some point. I don't know whether it's going to be now. It could just come back to the trender like this did here, like this did here. Could just be a consolidation type of thing. It might not go into a weekly reversal yet, but we've got that coronavirus at the moment, which seems to be getting worse. It's not contained like they thought it was. Who knows what the real numbers are? China doesn't release the real numbers, the amount of people that died, so it could be far worse than what anyone knows yet. So I have to see how that progresses and just see what happens with that. But junk bonds have sold off a little bit, not aggressively though. Weekly still holding the junk bonds, and the DAX is coming off. The DAX has been good. DAX has finally broken through this daily support here. I've been watching this for ages, for this to break on the daily, to put in a reversal on the daily. The Nikkei is in reversal on the daily, but it's just counter here on the weekly with the stronger yen has caused the Nikkei to sell off, of course. TLT bonds, US bonds have been heavily bid with the flight to safety, a bit of a flight to safety there with hasn't broken out on the weekly yet, but the daily's been solid. Euro bund has been solid too, but hasn't quite broken out on the weekly yet. But after a good retracement here of quite a few weeks, it's firming up quite nicely again. Gold's been going great. Gold has resumed this weekly uptrend here, and on the daily it's been strong as well. So the gold ETFs and gold miners have been doing extremely well. That's been a highlight of the year. It's a highlight of 2020 so far. Oil has been absolutely smashed. It's been great trading on the intraday. Absolutely smashing oil. DGAS has been absolutely flying. DGAS has been awesome. Gas price has just been smashed. This is the inverse leveraged ETF inverse of natural gas. That's been going awesome. Emerging markets been smashed with the stronger US dollar. That's been good. Litecoin has been going well. Bitcoin has going well this year. Monero, these are just some of my main ones. Ripple, and EOS. There's quite a few others, but I'm going to go into all of them just to show an example of what's been moved. The main, the sort of larger cap ones that most people know that I don't really talk about with anyone. I don't talk about cryptos with anyone anymore because people are just far too opinionated about it. They're not really. They're just. It's too hard to have a conversation about cryptos anymore, so I just keep quiet about it. But I'll just show on my videos the main ones. And Forex has been really good too. US dollar CAD's been ripping. NZ Swiss, beauty. Oz dollar Jappy, fantastic. Momentum on Oz dollar US. Oz dollar's been getting clubbed. It's been really good shorting. NZ US obviously down too. NZ Jappy with the strong yen. Euro Oz been great. Oz dollar Swissy's been a good one. Euro Swissy and Euro NZ's been great. Euro's been up against NZ. It's been a really good one. Been reverting back up to the 100 MA here, so just a real quick look at some of the main ones and just make it a quick one. I'm not going to bother going into any detail about it, and that'll be about it for now, I think. And we'll see how things progress in the month ahead. I might come back and do another video at the end of February. All right then. I'll be going away quite a bit because the bushfires here have opened up quite a lot of ground for gold prospecting, so I'll be going away quite a bit in the van, so I'll probably be doing a video from on the road when I do the next one. And alright, that's it. Bye for now. Bye.